Hi, Sunny. Good evening. Can you hear me?
Yes. Mhm.
Very good. Okay. Have you eaten dinner yet?
Yes.
Wow, that's really nice, Sunny. What did you have for dinner?
I have meatball and
Meatballs and rice?
yes.
Oh, wow, that's perfect. Okay. So, last time we learned about adjective. Okay, if you can remember, adjective is what we use to describe the noun. Yes, that's right. Very good. So, what are some examples of adjective? We have pretty, tall, big, smart. What else? Large, bad, hot. Yes, so those are all adjectives. Okay. And we also started with superlative adjectives, Sunny. So when we say superlative, we are comparing one person to many people, three or more people. Okay. And usually we just add EST. Is that clear? Okay. Now let's look at this one. So the suffix EST, okay, is added to the original adjective, just like this one. This is the original adjective. So, what do we add if we are comparing one person to a group of people? We add,
ENT.
that's right. So, look, the girl is the quickest of them all. So, we are comparing one girl to all of the person, all of the people in that room like that. So we add the, then est, the quickest. So what is now the superlative adjective? The quickest is the superlative adjective. All right?
All right.
Okay. Now let's make another example. Look. Okay. The boy is not the boy. Let's say mean. Mean is the smartest in the class. Okay. Look, what is the superlative adjective in this example? Yes, Sunny?
Is smart.
Smart. Yes. Okay. Smart is what we call adjective. Very good. Okay. So, how many people are we comparing to mean? How many? Is it one only or many people?
Oh.
Very good. So, which word in this sentence refers to a group of people? It is the class. Okay. So, if you are going to imagine one class has many students, just like in your school. So there are many students. So if I say Mean is the smartest in the class, so what is the superlative adjective? What's the superlative? We have the smartest. Okay, what did we add? We added EST. Okay. Now, look at this one. Sometimes, Sunny, The spelling changes. Just like juicy. What is the last letter of juicy? What is the last letter? It's letter. I can't hear you, Sunny. What letter? Hello, Sunny.
Is
Letter
A.
Y. Okay, letter Y. Look, this is letter Y. So what will happen if the adjective ends in letter Y? So look, juicy. Let's remove the I. I'll remove the Y. Okay, then add Y. I'll change it into I and add EST. Again, juicy, remove the Y, change it into I, and add EST. Okay, so it becomes juiciest. Okay, what did we do? We,
We, we,
okay, what do we do with the word juicy?
do it. Use this.
Okay, so what do we do first? We have Y. What do we do with the Y? We remove the Y, change it into I, then add EST. Juiciest. Okay, now look, the orange. Look and read, please. The
The
orange.
orange is the juiciest of the fruits.
Very good. Okay, so which fruit are we comparing to all the fruits?
Orange, orange,
Very
orange.
good. Okay, so how many fruits are we comparing to orange?
They're mm, comparing many orange.
We are comparing the orange to many fruits. Okay, since we are comparing only one to many, then we are using what?
We are use adjective.
Okay, so what kind of adjective, Sunny? We use
We use adjectives
what adjective?
is super, super,
Superlative.
superlative.
Very good. So what do we do for the superlative adjective? We add.
We are ENT.
Very good. Okay, so what happened to the original adjective juicy? What do we do to add est? We,
EST.
okay, what did we do first? We changed. What happened to the y?
The Y into EST.
Are you sure? Look. We change y to I.
To I.
Then, then we add est.
And yes.
Okay, great, Sunny. Now look, How about this one? Happy. This is the original adjective. Happy. What is the last letter of the word happy? What is the last letter? What's the last letter?
Happy.
Look at the word happy. What is the last letter, Sunny? Is it H? Is it A? Is it P, P, or Y? What is the last letter? I can't hear you, Sunny.
Mm,
Okay, look at the word happy. Can you circle the word happy? Look, where is it? Let's circle. Very good. Okay, now what is the last letter? Can you circle the last letter?
yeah.
Okay, now, okay, very good. So where is it? Circle. Oh, can you circle it? Okay. Teacher AM, what is last letter? Look, Sunny, when we say last letter, this is the letter at the end of the word. For example, sad. How many letters are there in the word sad? There are three letters. S, A, D. These are letters. Okay, so look, the word is sad. How many letters are there in the word sad? There are three. Okay. Now look, what is the last letter? Its letter D. The last letter is always at the end. Okay, now let's go back to happy. What is the last letter?
It's happiest.
Oh, wait a minute. Okay, listen to the question. What is the last letter?
It's sad.
Wait, wait a minute, Sunny. Look at the word happy. Okay, happy. What is the last letter?
It's quiet.
Very good. There you go. Now, it ends in letter Y. So what do we do with the Y? We remove it and there you
Two.
go. Put I, then add.
Three.
Yes,
Happy.
you're smart, Sunny. Very good. Now look, let's make a sentence with the superlative happiest. Okay, so now it becomes superlative adjective. So this is now the superlative adjective. Let's make a sentence. Okay, so Sunny is the happiest. Is the happiest person in their house. Okay, now look. How many people are we comparing to Sunny?
We're comparing to happiest.
Wait a minute. Look, Sunny is the happiest person in their house. So how many people are we comparing to Sunny? Is it only one or many?
Many.
How many? One or many?
Three.
I can't
Three
hear you.
is many. Is many
Okay,
person.
many. Yes, we are comparing many because, okay, there are many people in your house. We have mommy, daddy, and baby sister. So I am comparing Sunny, which is only one, to many people in the house, which are three. Okay, so look, so we use the happiest. All right,
All right.
very good. Now look, there's another rule. If look at the word hot, how many letters are there? Uh, Look, let's count. One, two,
Three, three,
three.
three,
Very
three.
good. Okay, look, what is the second letter? It
Is C.
okay. The last letter is T. This is the last letter. What is the second to the last letter? Second to the last, let's count backwards. One, two. So this is the second to the last letter. What letter is that, Sunny?
Is
Yes, it's
happiest.
okay. It's O. What letter? It's letter O. So look, we have five vowel. A, E, I, O, U. These are vowels. Take note. Look, what will happen if the second to the last letter is a vowel? We double the consonant. Okay, teacher, what is consonant here? The letter T is consonant. So what will happen? Double it. T, another T, then add E, S, T. Again, look, hot. All right. Now, the second to the last letter is O, which is what we call vowel. So, what are we going to do? Double the letter T, then add E, S, T. So, it becomes hottest. Okay, look, what is the sentence?
Is happiest.
What is the sentence? Let's read. Leads.
Is Leeds was the hottest city on the west side.
Okay, very good. Okay, so look, when we say Wednesday, it is a day. And there are many cities that was hot on Wednesday. So we are comparing one city called Leeds to a lot of city on Wednesday. So we say Leeds was the hottest city on Wednesday. Any questions, Sunny? Do you have any question? Yes or no?
No, no.
No. Okay. Now look at this one. Your turn. Let's practice. So what is the superlative of thin?
Cities.
Thinness. Very good. What do we do?
In and city.
Again, look. Second to the last letter is a vowel. That's letter I. So what do we do? Double the consonant, double the letter N, Then add EST. Okay, so we have to double first before we add EST. What about this one, Sunny? Short.
Scientist.
Very good. What do we add?
We are
Yes, there you go. Nice. What about dry?
scientist.
Very good. So what do we do with the letter Y?
Change the Y to
And
A.
yes, very good. Add EST. How about funny? Look, what is the last letter? We have letter Y again. So what do we do? Can you
Change.
write your answer?
Okay. Um,
That's right.
we change the Y into I.
Okay. Change Y to I and add EST like that. What about dark? Dark. Hello, Sunny. Oh, I cannot hear you. Are you there?
Yes.
Okay, what do we add here? We add,
E.
what do we add?
E.
Okay, we add EST. Very good. What about dull? What about dull? What about dull, Sunny? What do we add?
We add
All right, very good, dullest. Nice, Sunny. Okay, so for that, I'm going to give you lots of stars. One, two, three, four, five, six. Very good. Now, look at this one. Okay, so look, most of the words, okay, we add ER or EST. Okay, so look, if it ends in Y, so we change Y to I and add ER. That's for the comparative. For Y, change it into I and add EST. That's for superlative. This one, double the T and add ER. For slim, double the M and add EST. Then this one, since it ends in letter E, no need to add um E anymore. Just add R immediately. Then for fine, it ends in E, just add ST so that the spelling would be correct. Now let's look at this one, Sunny. Okay, let's practice what we learned. You tell me whether it is Comparative, take note. Comparative, we are comparing two. Superlative, one versus many. All right? So let's look at this one, Sunny. Okay, look. Harry is the blank in the group by far. Smaller or smallest?
Smartest.
Okay, what's your answer?
Smartest.
Smallest. Okay. What about this one? Look and complete the sentence. Then circle your answer, please.
Custom.
Okay, can you circle your answer?
Young. Taste of them all.
Yes, very good. Fastest. Okay, what about this one?
All the
Uh,
times I got less.
Least. Very good. What about here?
Next time, now what my photos than podcast.
Okay, farther or farthest?
Photo.
Okay, can you circle? I cannot hear you well,
Okay.
Sunny. All right. So this is farther because we are only comparing Mish's dog to her cat. So one and two farther. What about this one?
No,
Oh,
I was what? What's another good job? No, they were about carrot. For the farmers was
okay. Can you circle?
was.
Oh, which one? Circle, please. That's right. Very good. What about this one?
Duckling chose out to be the more beautiful duck.
Okay, circle again your answer.
Mom,
Okay, so this is most. We are using the most because we use the smallest. Look, est. So that is superlative. What about this one, Sunny? The red team.
the red team won because it's best. Best.
Okay, because it had best players. That's actually better. Okay, what about this one? The plain donut.
The plain was mass least. Least.
Okay. Least, the first one, right? Let's see. Uh-oh, that's the second one, less. Okay, why? There are only two, plain and ice donut. So we are comparing two, that's less, comparative. What about this one?
Team this group was the longest in his class.
Very good, lowest. Okay, I want you to say result.
Result.
Very good, Sunny. So here is your very big heart that is made of stars. Thank you so much for making it for yourself, Sunny. And I will add one for that. You have this great job and one rainbow star. Okay. So, yes, your homework is to review superlative and comparative. All right. Thank you so much,
Alright.
Sunny. I hope you learned something. Bye bye, Sunny.